Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my ginger and garlic tea with a splash of lime.
10 times out of 10, you've been good.
You were always there for me.
And I'll never
ever have to wonder about your love.
never wonder about your love. You've been a mighty good
You're
friend.
a constant friend. You stuck around while others walked away. And I'll never ever have to wonder about your love.
You always knew what you were doing. Even in darkness,
In darkness,
you found me in trouble.
surround me.
And no matter what I do, you will never give up on me. On me.
You were always too calculated to mistakenly love me.
Always knew what you were doing.
You were always too calculated to mistakenly love me. You've been real.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm coming on here because I'm on here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be
In 6.8 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto State Route 81 North.
It's gonna be a little diferente. I think I said that right. It's gonna be a little different because I am on the road right now. I'm traveling to Virginia. Nobody knows except for my husband that I am on my way. He's actually gonna meet me there. So here I am on my 7-hour journey. 7 hours and some change. I was on the phone with my mother. She's gonna watch this and she's gonna be like, "Oh, I didn't know she was coming." So yeah, I made it seem like, "Oh, boo-hoo, me, woe is me. I'm so sad I can't make it." But lo and behold, I can make it. Had I known, I would have been out last night. I would have left yesterday to go to freaking Virginia. But you know, things happen. But anyways, I'm going out there for my sister's baby shower. My youngest sister. She's having a baby boy. Can't wait to meet him. To see all my family. My mother, my sisters, my nephew, and whatnot. So that's exciting. But yeah, nobody knows that I'm coming. Well, Tamia doesn't know that I'm coming. So it's gonna be so exciting. I can't wait to film her reaction.
Too calculated.
I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hands down. Turn the other cheek. Why? I'm about to knock somebody out. I'm about to hit an Andrew Caldwell and read them. Oh, you about to get red to the fits, honey. Come on! Come on! Alright, little progress update. I stopped at, I stopped around like 3 o'clock to take a nap. It was over. It was just like, no, pull over, go take a nap. And I did, and I was knocked out. I'm pretty sure I was snoring. And what woke me up, I don't know, every time I go to sleep, for some reason, every time I go to sleep, excuse me, my throat itches like really bad. It wants to itch really bad. All the phlegm wants to like get stuck in one spot all at once, and then I gotta cough it all up, and I'm just like, OMG, what in the world? But I'm pretty sure it's leftover from the cold that I had. But yeah, it was like, I don't know, I just started coughing. My throat was itching real bad. Anyway, the highway, which was only like an exit away, I got me some Subway. I already devoured that. But prior to eating that, I did have some ensalada, some salad. So salad. Could go a long time without eating breakfast. I feel perfectly fine. There are times where it's like, oh man, I feel hungry, but it's just, I know I should just drink water. And so yeah, that's that. I went to the gym. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did go to the gym earlier today. I'm glad I did that, got that out the way, so I didn't feel like I was skipping out on a workout. But I had that momentum from yesterday, so I was like, yes, go to the gym this morning. I was so tired. I was like, let me go. Because as soon as I pulled up to the gym, a girl was tired, so she took a little nap. Whew. It could be the weight that's aiding in how often I am tired. I believe I do suffer from sleep apnea, but I believe in God that, you know, he gonna help me, you know, and give me I'm believing that I already have the discipline and the willpower to eat healthier and to go to the gym so that I won't suffer from sleep apnea. I don't know if, you know, I have sleep apnea because of my weight, but the only way to really rule out that factor is if I get the weight off. And so, yeah, that's that. Anywho, I'm like a little less than 4 hours away from my destination. So that's good. That nap did me good. I ate a sandwich. I ate a steak and cheese from Subway, and I had one cookie. Now that's good. That one cookie was 200 calories, according to them. You know, according to the little sign on the thing. But that's really good for me to have gotten one cookie, because anytime I go and get sweets, I like to get it in pairs or triplets, you know, or quadruplets, you know what I'm saying? Man, those raspberry cheesecake cookies from Subway, they're all right with me, man. They're all right. I used to kill those things. I'm telling you, I used to get more than 2, no doubt. Anyway, I'll come back and give an update how far I am. I am gonna have to stop again, and I'm hoping that it's just one last time. I'll get a good stretch in, but it's for gas. I had to fill up and get some more gas, but gonna do some stretching, use the bathroom, you know, take care of everything I need to take care of, and then that's just that on that. And then I'll keep on driving. Then I'll be at the hotel. Then, excuse me. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I have to make a phone call. It's my god sister's birthday today. So, Kylie, if you're watching this, happy birthday! Happy 10th birthday! Okay, guys, so I'm making it safely here to the hotel. So I'm about to check in. Well, I'm already checked in digitally, but you get some stuff out my car, my purse. Let me zip it up first.
You always knew what you were doing. Even in darkness, you found me in trouble.
Travel by yourself, you learn to become an octopus. You know what I'm saying? You just learn, you just adapt. I shoot this scene and talk to you guys at the same time. I mean, I can't shoot this scene and walk with all this like this with me, so yeah, you'll see me when I surprise them. All right, so I'm in my room. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm here. I have arrived. I'm gonna spruce up my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Then we're gonna find out what room they're in. All right, we about to spruce up these brows. So I just texted my mom. Excuse me. I just texted her, and you know, I asked her, where's my, I gotta get my ring light out the trunk so I can put my phone on the tripod. But I just asked her, well, I just tried calling her, and then she texted me, she said she'll call me right back. But then I was like, okay, I just wanted to know which room you guys got, which floor you got. I already know it's on the 3rd floor. You know, I'm just trying to ask questions, you know, just to ease on in there. And I said, "How y'all like the hotel?" She was like, "Yeah." And then she told me one of our cousins is on the 2nd floor, and I was like, "Oh, okay, that's so nice that she came, that she went or whatever." So yeah, they don't know. They don't know. I wonder if she suspects though. My mom isn't stupid. She's not stupid at all. I want to spruce up my brows because in case we take some pictures. I miss my family so much. But I'm gonna take my I'm gonna eat some salad, take one of the vitamins I didn't take earlier, and drink some water because the grill is parched and I didn't want to drink too much on the road for the simple fact of, you know, keep having to stop. I wanted to avoid that. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. I got my medicine bag right here. Not medicine, but vitamins right here. It's a whole lot of vitamins in this bag. Yeah. It's a whole lot of vitamins in this bag. Yeah. I'll put my stuff in the fridge. A girl is thirsty. Aha. Fresh meat. It's all good in here. Oh, wow, you're in here. Look at Zane running. Hi. Look at Zane laughing. He looks so happy. Oh, my. When did you drive here? All day. Hi. Me too. Hi. You went to you. Oh. Yo. Like, who is that? Tamia, know you here? No. Oh, don't tell her. I'm not. Oh, I'll pass gas. I know my hair looks a little wild. I just filmed a TikTok. But look who has taken over my bed. It's Aaliyah and Zany Pooh. Get in the shower and I need to get in the bed because I'm tired. I've been driving all day. Alright, so I just remembered that I did not vlog today, which is the day of the shower, which was a big day. The next surprise for Tamia. So, she texted me, and I'm gonna insert like the text messages of her where she got the crying emoji. Like, she's like, coming, and she was crying emoji, and then, you know, question mark. So, yeah, she doesn't know I'm here. I just came from Walmart, got a few things, and Hace and I is actually close by. He should be like, what? He should be like a half hour away now. So yeah, we are gonna shock her. It's her special day. It's her baby shower. Her baby shower. Her baby shower. Her wah shower. Her wah shower. Okay, let's stop. Seriously, I'm just so excited to like surprise her and see what her reaction is. Who was it? Aaliyah and my mom said, oh, it's so hard. It was so hard, like not saying, you know, that I was here. It was difficult for them earlier to, you know, hold that in. Hi, look who's with me.
Hello.
So we're on our way. We're like 9 minutes away. Yeah, it just felt 9 minutes away from the place. 9 minutes. I need you to record. I wonder if she's there already.
It's gonna be a good surprise. To be honest, you should pop up at like 5.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. Okay, so we're in the parking lot. Tamia doesn't. I was not expecting. You're so beautiful. I was not expecting for people to park on this side of the parking lot. I thought people were gonna park on the other side.
No, it's full. It's getting full.
Well, I figured, but
Okay.
we are here.
We are here.
Congratulations, Tamia. Congrats. Congrats. So
All
I'm
right,
so excited.
let's go.
I don't know. Cars just pulling up there, but oh wait. Hi, Zany. Hi.
Okay, come on.
No, you don't. I'll see you. Yeah.
You always knew what you were
She surprised you.
Hi.
Why did you lie?
I didn't lie. I got you.
Hey.